Hi guys, Rahul Nigam here and welcome to my channel Engineers Power. In this video, I am going to tell you how to answer when an interviewer asks you, you lack experiences for this position, then how will you compensate for this? If you really lack experience in this area, then you have to give a smart answer to this question. If you already have the experience in this area, then you just need to provide proofs and justifications. You may answer like, for example, I have a strong interest in working in this area, so I have already completed 2 online courses in this domain to gain the required knowledge. I understand that there will be a learning curve. To make it shorter, I am willing to spend extra time on this area. Based on my previous experiences of working on this domain, I can pick up things quickly over here. I am sure I can be a valuable contributor in this area within a short span of time. This is how simply you can answer this question. Now, please pay attention. There is a link in the description below of an ebook which contains top most asked HR interview questions with their winning answers. Go and grab this ebook. Trust me, it will really help you in all types of HR interviews. Also, write down your answer to this question in the comment section below and learn from others as well. Do like, share, and comment. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel to get more valuable content like this. And don't forget to press the bell notification. All the best for all your interviews. Thanks for watching.